I'm Sulakshan Kulkarni, the head coach of Indian Physically Challenged Cricket team. Today I'm going to talk about the finals between India and England, the host team. We played at Worcester, the beautiful ground. Before reaching the finals, I would like to thank our master, Mr. Sunil Rajguru, who played a key role by keeping everyone fit, mentally, physically and spiritually. For this game, we made one change in Sunny Goeth in place of fast bowler Mandeep Singh. Before this final, England played a semi-final against Afghanistan, and we realized that for this particular game, they made that boundary line from 60 yards to 75 yards. That 15 yards played a major role. Because Afghanistan batsmen, they normally like to play big shots. And they did that and paid the penalty. Most of the Afghanistan batsmen got out on the boundary line and fall trapped in England's bowling. The ball bounces and they fall in trap. While watching their game, I told my boys that the same strategy, the same plan, they will apply against us. So we will not go for that shots, big shots. Instead, we will go for the single and doubles. And even if we score 40 runs in 6 overs, that's a good start without losing any wicket. So that strategy worked out. We were 40 odd for 1 wicket of 6 overs, and then had a good partnership between Ravindra Sante and Vikrant Keni. Ravindra Sante played a brilliant knock of 53. And in the last 5 overs, our sharpshooter, Suganesh, who scored 35 of only 13 balls with a 4 monstrous sixes. One of the 6 went out of the ground, and that 6, I think ECB has given him the award of the longest 6 of the year, including the original World Cup 2019. After scoring 180 of 20 overs, we knew that we are going to get them out, and bowled very well, fielded brilliantly. Throughout the tournament, our fielding was exceptional. I hardly noticed that we dropped a single catch or misfield somewhere. We had 9 runouts in 5 games. That was kind of a fielding standard we set. And in the finals also, we did very well and restricted England for 140 and became the champion of first ever physically challenged World Series cricket. What I noticed that the kind of talent, the hungriness, the temperament which Indian team possess has a great potential ahead, and I'm sure in the coming years this team or Indian physically challenged team can play like an IPL team, IPL tournament, and they will get a great publicity. They have a lot of talent. In fact, in this team, 3-4 guys can easily play the IPL. My best wishes to this team and the AICPC. AICPC has done a marvelous job in conducting this tournament in a fantastic way. All the selectors, the officials, manager and the support staff, they played a marvelous job. Well done. I congratulate each and every one, AICPC, for its first anniversary of World Championship.